Hello there everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and Julienne Cancook network. We're so happy to have you today. Hello, we just want you to know if you like something, please push the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Well, let's get started. Let me see, today I'm making lava cake, but first of all, I need to finish getting myself ready here. I found this wonderful tortilla bag that is so good. I love to recycle things, and it just works perfectly for a chef's hat. It saves you a lot of money too. And oh yes, and I like to wear gloves because you know when you're cooking, things can get rather messy. So here we go. We're getting ready to make sure we have everything for our lava cake. Let me see, I have my utensils here, my measuring cups. Oh, let me see, I have the flour and the baking soda and the sugar and the water and the secret ingredient. Okay, oh, excuse me, just a moment. Wonder who this could be. Hello? Oh, hi there, Susie Q. How are you? Oh dear, I'm so sorry to hear about your hangnail. Those can be quite disturbing. Oh my. Well, what am I doing? Well, I am making a new recipe for my YouTube channel. Oh, no, not YouTube. This is YouTube. You know, the famous Doctor Who. He started this channel. No, not what? Who? It's a Who channel. Well, you know, I am really busy right now with my show. Could I call you back later? He said, oh, you want to know what kind of cake I'm making? It's called a lava cake. And where did I get the recipe? Oh, I came from Hawaii. No, I know you're fine except for the hangnail. But you know, the state on the other side of California. Oh, yes. Well, you know, I really need to go and get this filming done. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Oh, boy, all these interruptions now. Where was I? Okay, let me see. I have my checklist somewhere. Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, let me see. Oh, I've got it. Oh, let me see. Oh, yes. Oh, I even have my cake cutter for when we're all done. And, oh, you know, this acts as a mirror, too. It makes a beautiful mirror. Oh, I see. I have a little bit of green from my salad earlier for lunch. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to pour in the first ingredient here. This is my flour. Oh, let me see. Let me get it all in here. Oh, no, I'm so sorry about that. That's my alarm for to feed the fish. Hold on just a moment. Little fishes, I know you're hungry for your dinner. Here you go. Enjoy your lunch, your dinner. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, so sorry about that. Now, where was I? Oh, yes, I had added one ingredient. Let me see now. Here's other ingredients. Let me see. This is some sugar and baking soda. Oh, okay. Now we'll add the water. Oh, look at that. That is going to be a nice cake. Let me stir it here. Now you have to be stirring it very well. Oh my, it looks good already. Stir it real good. You know, I really like to lick the pan and lick the bowl, but I'm not going to do that on live TV. I bet you all like to do that too. Let me see. Get it mixed up real good here. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Now, let's see. Oh, it has a secret ingredient. You pour that in. Oh my! Whoa! Oh! What happened here? Oh my goodness. No wonder they call it lava cake. Oh, it's so messy. Oh my, what a mess. Oh, what am I going to do now? Oh, looks like I'm going to have to start all over tomorrow after I clean up all of this mess. Oh, sorry about that, all the interruptions and all of the problems today. But I really want you to tune back in. I hope you will push subscribe on your channel. I hope you can subscribe to my channel and push a thumbs up, and please leave some comment, and I promise you next time you won't be disappointed. Remember, Julienne really can cook. Bye for now. So sorry. What a mess.